I'm Kelvin, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious donut that'll make you drool all your drool. The ingredients for the donuts are 1½ cups milk, 2½ ounces vegetable shortening, 2 packages of instant yeast, 1/3 cup warm water, eggs beaten, 1/4 cup sugar, 1½ teaspoon salt, 23 ounces all-purpose flour, and frying oil. Heat the milk in a saucepan. Place the milk in a medium saucepan and heat on medium heat, just warm enough to melt the shortening. In a small bowl, sprinkle the yeast over the warm water. Pour the milk over the shortening to melt it. Set aside. Yay! While you're waiting for your yeast to dissolve, beat the eggs. Ooh, splash, 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 splash. Get the stand mixer ready by putting on the cloth. Next, add the dissolved yeast into the stand mixture's large bowl. Then add the milk and the cooled milk and shortening mixture. Then add the eggs, sugar, salt, and half the flour. After it's all mixed in, turn it on low speed and add the rest of the flour. And turn on the stand mixer. Remove the hook from the stand mixer and take the dough off the hook into the bowl and let rise for 1 hour. While the dough rises, clean up your mess. Once risen for 1 hour, roll out the dough on a well-floured surface till it's 3/8 of an inch. After all rolled out, cut out the shape of a big circle and a little circle. Transfer it to a cookie sheet and let rise for 30 minutes. Fill up the frying pan or pot with frying oil. Heat it on medium until it reaches about 360 degrees. While you're waiting for the oil to heat up and your dough to rise, make the glaze out of milk, vanilla extract, and sugar. Powdered sugar. Be careful for this step. Place the donut in the oil and let it boil for 1 minute on each side or until golden brown. Apparently. Let it sit here and drip. I flipped them over now. Now to glaze the donuts. Now, thanks for watching. Now that you know how to make donuts, you can quit drooling and try it for yourself. Bon appetit! Yay!
You want to take a bite of it? Eat it, eat it, eat it. I know.